Many companies fail in ISO, not because ISO is difficult, but because system works only during audits. When daily management is missing, ISO slowly becomes paperwork. Let's understand why this happens. Hi, I'm Sagar Naik, founder of Swades QMS and quality management consultant. In this video, I will explain why ISO systems fail in many organizations, even after certification. And more importantly, how daily management makes ISO actually work. Let's understand this practically. The common ISO story. Let us look at a typical situation. Company decides to implement ISO. Document is prepared. Training is conducted. Audit happens. Certification is achieved. Everyone feels satisfied, but after few months, old problems return. Customer complaints increase, follow-ups increase, departments work separately again, and management starts saying ISO is only documentation. But the truth is different. ISO does not fail. Implementation approach fails. ISO never intended to create paperwork. ISO expects organizations to manage processes daily, to monitor performance continuously, to improve regularly. ISO is designed as a management system, not a certification project. But many companies treat ISO as a one-time activity. That is where failure begins. The biggest missing element is daily management. Processes are defined but not reviewed daily. Objectives are defined but not tracked regularly. Problems are recorded but not discussed immediately. Without daily control, system becomes inactive. Like a machine without operation. Documentation creates clarity, but documents cannot manage behavior. Procedures explain what should happen. Daily management ensures it actually happens. When documents stay in files and discussions do not happen daily, implementation becomes weak. Employees slowly disconnect from system. ISO becomes formality. Let's discuss reactive versus proactive organizations. Without daily management, organizations become reactive. Problems are solved only after escalation. Meetings happen only during crisis. Action starts only after complaints. This creates stress and instability. Daily management creates proactive working. Problems are identified early. Actions are taken quickly. Losses are prevented. Many companies activate ISO only before audit. Files get updated. Records get completed. Training suddenly increases. After audit, system becomes silent again. Auditors visit once or twice a year, but operations run every day. If management happens yearly, problems grow daily. ISO needs daily practice, not annual preparation. Daily management system connects to ISO with daily operations. It brings visibility. It creates accountability. It ensures follow-up. It keeps leadership involved. Through daily reviews, performance stays connected. ISO becomes living system instead of documentation. What daily management looks like? Daily management does not mean long meetings. It means short, structured reviews, 10 to 15 minutes daily. Department teams review yesterday's performance, today's plan, problems faced, immediate actions. That's all. Small discipline daily creates stability. Another reason ISO fails is leadership distance. Management assumes quality departments handles ISO, but ISO requires leadership involvement. When leaders review performance daily, teams stay aligned, problems get attention, improvement becomes continuous. Daily presence of leadership strengthens system credibility. Without daily management, employees see ISO as extra work, forms to fill, records to maintain, audit preparation activity. But when daily reviews happen, employees understand purpose. They see how data helps decisions and ISO becomes meaningful. Many organizations define quality objectives annually, but they review them only during management review meetings. That is too late. Daily tracking converts objectives into action. Progress becomes visible. Corrections happens early. Results improve naturally. Without DMS, department works in isolation. Production does not know customer issues. Quality does not know planning constraints. Management receives incomplete information. Daily meetings improve communication flow. Everyone understands priorities. Alignment increases. Why some ISO systems succeed? Successful organizations do one thing differently. They integrate ISO into daily work. They discuss performance daily. They review problems openly. They follow actions consistently. ISO becomes habit, not event. That is the difference. When daily management supports ISO, firefighting reduces. Decision becomes faster. Employees take ownership. Customer satisfaction improves. Audits become smooth because system already works. Audit becomes confirmation, not preparation. Simple practical approach for MSMEs. Start small. One daily meeting per department. Few key indicators only. Visual board for tracking. Clear action owner. Daily follow-up. Consistency is more important than complexity. You can think like this. ISO gives direction. Daily management gives control. ISO defines system. DMS runs system. Without DMS, ISO becomes theory. With DMS, ISO becomes performance tool. ISO does not fail because of the standard. ISO fails when daily management is missing. Certification is only the beginning. Real success comes from daily discipline. If you want ISO to deliver results, manage performance every day. ISO fails without daily management because system is not reviewed daily. Leadership involvement reduces. Communication breaks. Problems are detected late. Employees disconnect. Daily management solves these gaps. If you found this video useful, like this video and subscribe to Swades QMS. We will continue learning practical quality management in a simple way. If you need support in ISO or daily management implementation, you can contact Swades QMS. Details are in the description. Thanks for watching.